Welcome to Spice and Pans. Subscribe to our channel for our recipes weekly.
Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking Sambal Petai. So let's start cooking. First, we're going to make the sambal paste. 2 tablespoons of dried shrimp soaked in half a cup of water. Together with the water, we'll pour into the blender. 10 pieces of shallots. I'll be using over here 5 pieces of dried chili cut up and 10 pieces of big red chili. If you like your paste to be slightly more spicy, you can always add in a few pieces of chili padi. So let's just put everything in. Let's blend it. Going just to push the side with the splattered out. I want it to be finer, so I'm just going to push it down again. Okay, let's have a look. This is the texture that we want, and we'll go and fry this now. Over low heat, we will dry roast the belacan over here. This is 25 grams. Dry roast until it crumbles. Normally we have to do this because then this will be more fragrant. Belacan is actually fermented shrimp, widely used for frying with chili because it gives out a very umami kind of a taste and smell. Keep moving them around because we don't want to burn them. So once it becomes very easy to crumble, it's almost done. Remember, don't turn up the heat too high. We don't want to burn this. Once you can smell the smell of this belacan, that means it's done already. We'll just set this aside. Heat up 2 tablespoons of oil. We'll fry the paste with this. Once the oil has heated up, we'll add in the paste. How do we know when the chili will be ready? When actually the oil separates from the paste itself. I'll show you how it looks like later when it's done. Add in the belacan that we have dry roasted just now. Everything, just pour everything in, and we'll fry this until it's done. The chili is almost done. Now the only thing that we need to do next will be the seasoning. I'm not going to add salt inside here because the belacan and the dried shrimps are actually salty. So do have a taste first before you add any salt in. If you feel that it's not savory enough, by all means add salt. I've tried just now and savory is definitely there. I'm just going to add in a little bit of sugar. 1 teaspoon of sugar to balance up the taste. And after that we'll be done. You can see that the color has turned into a very beautiful dark red right now. So this is what we want to achieve. This is not very spicy because I did not use any chili padi inside here, but it smells amazing. So I'm going to remove this from heat, put this aside, and we'll work on the petai first. Now we'll proceed to cook the dish. In a pan, put in some oil. 1 whole onion sliced. Put this in. The petai, you have to split them up just to see whether inside got worms or not. Okay, these are all very clean. I've washed them already, split them up. So I'm just going to pour everything in. Now petai can be eaten raw, so you don't really have to cook them for a long time. I'm just going to put half of the chili that we have cooked just now into here. Now the other half, you could keep it with other dishes or just to put on rice alone. It's very, very good. Now I'm going to add a little bit of water, about 1 tablespoon or so. Just to steam it up a little bit. And for the chili to be easier to spread the chili around. You can see how beautiful this dish is. This goes very well with rice, steamed rice. There's a lot of good things about petai. Antioxidant. I heard it helps to control diabetes also, and a lot of other things. Do read about it. Okay, I think we are done. Time to serve this. And ladies and gentlemen, this is how we cook our sambal petai. I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.